Good morning! Road trip again. This time dito sa Alaska. No?
I mean trip.
Okay, trip. We're going to have a road trip. Okay, nandito tayo sa Anchorage, Alaska. Tayo ay magbabakasyon ng 6 na araw kasi hindi kami pupunta sa Wyoming. So Wyoming para bisitahin si mother-in-law. So siyang pupunta dito. So today mag road trip tayo. Nag-aaway sila. Nag-aasaran sila, guys.
Can we get McDonald's?
Kasi itong isa ayaw mag-road trip. Yung isa naman gusto. Ngayon nag-aasaran sila. So ang ginawa ni Aling Maliit, kumanta na lang siya. Welcome sa buhay na road trip. Yung isa na kasi mangot. Yes, baby. Ah, okay. Are you? Ayan, dali.
Get it out.
Diba? Dapat pala dinala ko yung karaoke, baby. To fight.
Here we are.
There we go. Here we are.
We should show that's Cook Inlet.
So, eto na. Let the road trip begin. Oh, ito yung Anchorage. Anchorage. So, mas malaking city siya kaysa sa Juneau. Flat lang siya lahat. See? So, magdadrive lang tayo ng straight hanggang makarating tayo sa Whittier. Tapos, it's only like 1 hour drive. Ito na tayo, guys, sa tinatawag na Baluga Point. So, Baluga, tingnan natin sa labas para malinaw. So, Baluga Point kasi dito daw nakikita yung Baluga Whale. Ayan. Oh, you can go down there. Nandito na tayo sa my Whittier. 4H Glacier Whittier. So, parang nasa Juneau lang tayo except na nakikita mo talaga yung mountain up close. Yeah, there's another one tunnel. This is a long one.
Is it too cold, Olivia? Tell me.
Wow. So, hindi ko pala natapos yung sinasabi ko kanina. Pupunta tayo sa isang lugar na kung saan sa isang building lang nakatira yung mga tao. Think we need to buy ticket?
Maybe.
Or a pass? So, ito yung mga gusto kong adventure. Yung may mga history. So, we gotta wait because there are cars coming.
Right. Before, it used to be a train, and you'd have to put your car on the train. And the tunnel is very small, so...
10:52 na. So, maghihintay tayo dito para makapasok tayo sa loob ng tunnel. Ang mountain na yan sa loob. So, it means, Daddy, that they dig, you know, that mountain?
Yeah, they blasted. We're going under this whole mountain. And the other side is Whittier.
Oh! Narinig niyo, guys? So, ito yung mountain ito. Anong tawag nun? Lalagpas tayo nun sa loob. Binutasan nila ito yung, yung mountain para makagawa sila ng tunnel sa loob. Tapos, sa kabila nito, yun na yung Whittier. Diba? Napaka-interesting ng ginawa nila. Sipin mo yun, napakalaking bundok na yan. Lalagpas tayo dun. Si paglabasan na, oh.
There you go.
Ayan na. So, lane 1. So, after their turn, tayo naman ang papasok sa tunnel. Ready? Here we go! Are you ready, Olivia?
I'm ready.
Yay! We're ready! Are you ready, ate? Yeah. You're not buckled up?
I'm buckled.
Yeah. Can you put my... Okay, wait. Okay. Here we go.
Here we go. Let's see how many minutes. Oh yeah, there's a rail track here. Nice. You know, this is also a good experience for Olivia. Oh, I think this is yeah, this emergency.
Olivia,
Yes.
we're going under the mountain. Isn't that neat?
Oh yes, Daddy. They have a safe house. That's a safe house. So may mga safe house sila guys sa gilid kapag merong emergency. Kunwari, fire. So meron silang safe house na ginawa. Oh, dito may safe house.
I
Ayan.
don't see the end.
Yan, safe house. It's a 6 minutes drive under the tunnel.
Here we are.
Here we are. Whoa.
Sunlight.
There you go. Woo! We're here.
Welcome to Whittier.
Success. Welcome to Whittier. And we have internet. It's a 6 minutes drive.
Ate, let's share your arm ring. That's fine.
And tago na naman si ate.
Let's draw.
So, ito yung building guys, na kung saan everyone lives there. You're right. Wala akong makitang bahay. Yan lang talaga. I didn't see any houses.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's right.
It's up there. Yeah, but those are different. Those are
Okay.
Here.
Tingnan natin sa loob
Those look
guys.
kinda nice.
Ito yung school nila. Oh, yan. School Whittier Eagles.
You don't even have to take your kids to school. They walk
They
themselves.
just walk. Hey, nandito na tayo. Masyadong mahangin. So, ayan yung background natin. Tapos, yun yung building na pupuntahan natin. Malamig. Ayan yung guys, ang paligid nila. Kapaligiran ng bundok. Tapos may waterfalls doon. Nakasimangot niyo na naman si ate. Pasok tayo sa loob. I wonder kung kung meron mga Pilipinong nakatira dyan, no? Oops! Let's go! Woo! Oh, Olivia! Let's see out. Oh, you can just walk in. Ganito lang sa loob. Ayan guys, yung post office nila. Oh, my post office. Oh, the store is closed. But it says open.
Oh, don't step on that. That would be dangerous.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Look at this.
So over here, these are Airbnbs.
Oh,
Wow.
the Airbnb.
The Airbnbs,
Yeah.
So in wintertime, do you guys get out much or do people do?
Most of the people actually have 2 or 3 jobs during the summertime because
Papasyal tayo ni Karen.
they already have work. I mean, I do work.
See them? Look at this.
Do you do your community meetings?
Yes, we do our
Ah,
And then Saturday,
Wow,
actually
we're
tonight,
so
the big
high.
cruise ship, like the Princess Cruises
Right.
and everything, they will park right over
Park
there.
there.
So it's really beautiful because they're
I
nice.
do know you're almost getting too many cruise ships.
Cruise ships,
Yeah,
yeah.
like so many.
Buti na lang nakilala natin si Miss Karen, no?
there's far and beside it.
See? Ah, ito lang yung Whittier. Oh, late lang, no? Late ng
High up
community.
there.
Yeah. Can I take a picture of you, Olivia?
Looking building over
Huh?
roof. Yeah. So that's the ferry right there.
Okay. So how
And
about
then-
your Amazon? Do you get Amazon here?
We
Can
have-
you get it pretty quick? Or-
Oh no, it takes more. It
It
takes
takes
maybe
2
additional
weeks.
2, 3, 4 days depending on the
Oh,
seller.
not
But
too bad.
the only
Are you taking videos, ate? So, ito yung abandoned na na building dahil sa earthquake.
In fact, I think the tsunami came all the way up here.
Yeah, that's what Karen says. The tsunami and then the earthquake that came here. Ayan. Look at that ruin. It's a big,
building, right?
yeah. It's a big building. So, abandoned na siya. Dahil nga sa, ano, sabi ni Karen, earthquake or tsunami. Yeah. And there's another one condo here.
I mean, I wouldn't complain living here if there was a
Hotel nila, the Anchor Inn. Tapos, ayun yung grocery store and laundromat. Oh, I think this is the municipio, the city hall. City of Whittier. Yeah, I think this is the city hall. So, nakilala natin si Miss Karen. Isa siyang Pilipina. 12 years na siyang naninirahan dito sa Whittier. Tapos doon sa building na yan, dyan sila naninirahan. This is the Whittier Harbor. Whittier. Via. Another place. Look, my model. My model. I caught you picking your nose. Uwi na tayo? Let's go back to Anchorage. It's hot na.
Into Whittier.
Nagre-reminiscence si Daddy.
I was 2 years old. I remember it like yesterday.
2 years old na si Daddy nung dinala siya dito
I was
para
in diapers.
mag-camping. For camping?
Well, we drove from Michigan, Wisconsin,
Wow.
all the way up here.
Talaga?
Yeah, Grandpa was very adventuresome.
Yeah, kasi lumaki siya na nagro-road trip palagi. Alaska,
Palagi,
Mexico,
palagi.
always.
Always, oh
So
yeah.
I said you grew up.
Yeah, we went
with
to
a
drove
family.
to Mexico. We drove
Always,
to Alaska.
always do the road trip.
Never ride in the airplane.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's Whittier.
So Whittier. So dito nag-camping daw sila Daddy nung 2 years old siya. Wow.
Yeah.
You still remember that, old man?
Old man.
You're the old man now? Olivia, what do
We're
you
gonna
think
go
about the road trip? Did you have fun?
I think we need more road trips.
You
Yeah.
really need more road trip?
More road trip.
Yeah. Because Daddy grew up doing road trip.
That's right.
Mommy hindi. So si Daddy, yes. That's why Daddy wants us to do road trip. Right, Daddy?
That's right.
That's right. Sipin mo from Michigan to Mexico, nag-road trip sila.
I said,
Wow.
I said we need more
Field trip?
right, Daddy?
That's right. We will, for sure. We will definitely. Mommy needs her American passport. That's next step. We got to get that.
American passport so we can do road trip to Canada. Po.
Giant
Look at
boat,
that.
giant boat, giant boat,
I know.
That's like
So
almost
sila
$1
naman.
million boat.
giant
Wow.
boat.
Expensive boat.
Ang daming nagka-camping dito.
Giant.
So this is
Who did it?
basically the road trip looks like. May sigawan, may iyakan, may away-away.
They're screaming and yelling and playing and
Sigawan,
laughing.
that's why.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay,
Yeah,
sigawan.
sigawan. Yelling each other. So
I
yun.
don't
Oh.
want to make a fart.
See?
Harder? No.
Olivia, Natalia, you should stop now.
Daddy did.
May sigawan. So at least, na-experience ni Daddy when he was young. Road trip.
Farting, burping, screaming, crying, laughing, yelling, kicking,
Kasi ano,
slapping, biting.
four siblings, so that's why. I think it's much worse.
It's
than
all
this.
emotional. Oh yeah, but it's
It's fun.
we didn't have phones, so 8
have to.
hours of riding in a car together, you got to know everyone.
Yeah.
It was good.
Daddy.
So, kaya ayan, pinapa-experience din niya sa dalawang to. yung gusto, yung na-experience niya. So, that's why whenever we can, we do road trip.
Yeah,
Right?
that's right.
Right?
We're gonna try our
What
best.
time is it now?
2:55. So 5 more minutes will be.
5 more minutes, so close na nating vlog.
Tunnel.
Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe to our family, Messi.
Mom.
Oh my gosh.
Our Messi,
Who did that?
Messi,
Olivia, was that
Loud
you?
family.
There's a road
Bye.
trip family. You see.